there. In this video, I'm going to compare the raw spread and the pro account of Exness, and I'm going to share with you all the important things that you need to know. So let's start. So I would try to explain to the best of my ability all of these accounts and the differences. The pro account is great for spread-only simplicity. If you don't want to think about commission math at all, ideal for swing traders, position traders, and anyone trading a mix of instruments where checking per instrument commission would be a chore. Also, the only choice if you want to instant execution and unlimited concurrent MT4 orders. So useful for EAs that track positions. Now, bad fit if you trade fast new moves. So if you're gonna be focusing on the fast news moves, the pro account isn't great for it. Requotes will reject you exactly when you most want to feel. And remember, with USD, Japan, and all these other that you're gonna see here, as a currency, you get market execution anyway, which removes the main reason to pick it. So this is something very important about the pro account. With the raw spread, so this is great for predictability across many instruments. Now here, it's best if you trade metals, energies, or jump between asset classes. The commission is capped at 3.50 USD per side, regardless of what you trade. So your cost per lot is the same number every time. And this is where the raw spread quietly wins big. On silver, platinum, and palladium, the zero commission is many times higher. Also, the safer default if you're not going to check contract specs before every new instrument. So this is the raw spread. The zero, on the other hand, this is great for the major FX pairs, and only those best if you trade a Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japan, and other 30 selected instruments. So this is for the zero. Especially during hours when spreads normally widen, Asian session, early morning around rollover. The fixed 0.0 here you see spread means your entry price is the market price with no fluctuation. Dangerous outside the list, the commission goes from 0.02 to hundreds of dollars per lot depending on the instrument. So this really depends on what kind of instrument you are, trading. And then if you trade one or two major FX pairs and want the tightest, most stable entry price, go with a zero, in essence, okay? Then if you trade gold, silver, oil, or move between asset classes, go with a raw spread. And if you want one number, no commission line on your statement and don't mind occasional requotes, go with a pro. So that's like in the essence what you can actually expect out of these accounts. I hope it makes sense. Now, when we're gonna go even further, so you choose a pro if you want simple possible setup, hate seeing fees on your statement, and don't trade during wild news moments. So if you don't trade on news, you can go with the pro. Raw spread, if you're gonna trade gold, silver, oil, or mix of different markets, is the safe all-rounder. You always know what a trade costs. And then the zero, if you mostly trade Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japan, Forex, and similar majors, and often trade at unusual hours, zero can be beneficial for it. So of course you don't have to choose one. Exness lets you open up to 100 accounts. Many traders keep zero account for major currency pairs and raw spread account for gold and oil. And then, of course, one warning before you're gonna trade on a zero, check that instrument's commission on the Exness contract specification page first. The number decides whether zero is the cheapest choice or by far the most expensive. So for the commission, what you're gonna find here is that for pro you have none. The cost is already inside the price you see. With your raw spread, it's a flat fee up to 3.50 per lot, and zero, a fee that changes depending on what you trade. Sometimes it can be 2 cents, sometimes hundreds of dollars. Really depends on the instrument. This is why the majors are really good for zero. The spread, when you're gonna have the pro, it starts at 0.1 pips. So small but moves around. The raw spread starts at 0.0 pips, the lowest, but it widens at night and during the news. And the zero stays exactly 0.0 on about 30 popular instruments. And most of the day it doesn't move. Then you see more here, the execution. So with the execution, the pro you get exact price. You clicked on or the order gets rejected and you're asked to try again. So the rejection is called requote. Then you get a raw spread and zero got your order always goes through, but the price might shift slightly against you. And that's how it works. Then you're gonna have the crypto here. So crypto, yes, you can have market execution. So Pro and Zero let you trade crypto. Raw spread doesn't list it. If crypto matters to you, then you have to decide between these two. You can have other instruments. So primarily there you're gonna have the oil and gas. Only raw spread list energies. As you can see, only here you can have energies. If you trade those, raw is your account. That's like the big difference there. Then you're gonna have a suffix. Then how many orders you can have. It's similar. So, and all the other stuff here that you're gonna look here is identical, right? So that's the primarily like the comparison. I hope it made sense, guys, for you, this video. I want to make like straightforward what you can actually expect and what you can actually do. So thank you very much for watching. Let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you. I wanted to, you know, be for you, at least give you a little bit of value for your life. So thank you very much for watching and hope you are going to have a great day, and goodbye.